Do you want to live a healthier life? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of wellness, exploring 5 life hacks designed to improve your health and happiness. We'll cover everything from morning routines to natural remedies, equipping you with tools to take control of your well-being. Imagine starting your day feeling refreshed and energized, full of positivity. Picture replacing your sugary breakfast with quick, nourishing options that keep you satiated until lunch. Visualize treating minor ailments with natural remedies that are gentle on your body and the environment. Health isn't just about what we eat or how often we exercise. It's about our daily practices, the choices we make, and the attitudes we cultivate. It's a lifelong commitment to nurturing our bodies and minds. So whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, these tips can help you live a healthier life. Ready to boost your health? Stay tuned.
Ever heard of the saying, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise? There's a nugget of wisdom in this old adage, particularly when it comes to establishing an effective morning routine. Our morning routines play a pivotal role in shaping our days. They set the rhythm, the tone and the mood for everything that follows. Let's delve into some tips for an effective morning routine that can contribute to a healthier you. First on the list is waking up early. It might sound challenging, especially if you're a night owl, but the benefits of rising with the sun are manifold. Waking up early gives you a head start to the day, allowing you to plan and organize your tasks better. It also gives you a quiet, peaceful moment to yourself before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. Next, consider incorporating meditation into your morning routine. Meditation is like a workout for your mind. It reduces stress, enhances self-awareness, and brings a sense of calm and balance to your life. Just 5 to 10 minutes of focused, mindful breathing can work wonders for your mental well-being. So make a habit of sitting in silence, observing your thoughts, and breathing deeply every morning. Finally, hydration. After a long night's sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins by drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. If you want to spice it up a bit, add a squeeze of fresh lemon for a vitamin C boost. So there you have it. Wake up early, meditate, and hydrate. These simple yet effective steps can make a world of difference to your health and well-being. They say the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine, so make your mornings count. Remember, a good morning routine sets the tone for the rest of your day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but are you making the most of it? Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee paired with a wholesome breakfast that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also fuels your body for the day ahead. Yes, that's the power of a healthy breakfast. Starting your day with a nutritious meal can be quite a game changer. It sets the tone for the rest of your day, providing you with the energy to conquer your tasks and keeping those mid-morning hunger pangs at bay. But here's the catch: not all breakfasts are created equal. So let's dive into a few quick and healthy breakfast hacks that are not just easy to whip up, but also pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Now, first up, let's talk about overnight oats. They're like the superheroes of the breakfast world. Just mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey. Add in some fruits and nuts, and let the magic happen in your fridge while you catch some Z's. Next, we have the classic egg scramble, but with a twist. Toss in a handful of spinach or kale, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and you've got yourself a protein-rich breakfast that not only keeps you satiated, but also contributes to the health of your heart and brain. Last but not least, smoothie bowls. They're like a smoothie, but you get to chew and enjoy the mix of textures. Blend your favorite fruits with a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt, pour it into a bowl and top it off with granola, nuts or seeds. These breakfast options are not just delicious, but also high in fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. They can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your concentration, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. So why wait? Tomorrow morning, give these recipes a try. Let your breakfast be more than just a meal. Let it be the fuel that powers your day. So, kickstart your day with these power-packed breakfasts. Why pop pills when you can go natural? In our journey towards a healthier lifestyle, we often come across common ailments that can be a minor nuisance in our day-to-day lives. colds, headaches, digestive problems. These are just a handful of issues that most of us have grappled with at one point or another. But here's a thought. What if we told you that you don't always need to turn to over-the-counter medication for relief? That's right, there are natural remedies available that can provide a healthier alternative. Let's start with the common cold. It's no secret that a warm bowl of chicken soup can do wonders when you're feeling under the weather. But did you know that the steam from the soup can help clear your nasal passages, while the nutrients and minerals in the chicken and vegetables can bolster your immune system? Next up, headaches. Instead of reaching for that bottle of painkillers, why not try a bit of peppermint oil? A study has shown that applying peppermint oil to your temples can help relieve tension headaches. The menthol in the oil helps to relax and ease tension, providing relief without the need for medication. Now, let's talk about digestive problems. A cup of ginger tea after your meals can work wonders for your digestive system. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is known for its anti-inflammatory and gastrointestinal properties. So next time you feel bloated or have a stomachache, try sipping on some ginger tea. But remember, while these natural remedies can help alleviate symptoms, they should not replace professional medical advice. If your symptoms persist, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. And there you have it, a few natural remedies to common ailments. These aren't just healthier alternatives to over-the-counter medication, but they also allow you to take a more proactive role in your health and well-being. Next time you feel under the weather, try these natural remedies. Did you know that your mindset can greatly affect your health? Indeed, it's surprising but true. Your mindset, specifically a positive one, plays a significant part in your overall well-being. Let's delve into the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. Picture yourself on a rainy day. If you perceive the rain as a gloomy, depressing event, you're likely to feel down. But if you see it as nature's way of nurturing life, suddenly the rain becomes beautiful, doesn't it? This is the power of mindset. It's not the circumstances that define us, but how we interpret them. When you cultivate a positive mindset, you're more likely to experience happiness, less stress, and better health. But how does one cultivate a positive mindset? Well, it's simpler than you might think. One effective way is through the practice of gratitude. Every day, take a few moments to reflect on what you're grateful for. It could be as grand as a promotion or as simple as a sunny day. This practice shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right, fostering positivity. Another powerful tool is positive affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeatedly tell yourself. They rewire your brain to believe in your potential and capacity to achieve your goals. Examples could be "I am capable" or "I choose happiness." Now, how does a positive mindset lead to better health? Well, studies show that a positive mindset strengthens the immune system, boosts heart health, and even increases lifespan. It's because positive emotions trigger healthier responses in the body, reducing stress hormones and promoting healing. Moreover, a positive mindset enhances your motivation to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It keeps you resilient in the face of challenges, making it easier to stick to your health routines, be it a balanced diet, regular exercise, or adequate sleep. In essence, a positive mindset is not just about feeling good. It's about creating a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. So start today, embrace positivity, and witness the transformation in your health and life as a whole. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a healthy body. So are you ready to embark on your journey to better health? Let's do a quick recap of the life hacks we've discovered. We started the day with morning routines that set the tone for a healthy day. Remember, consistency is key. Then we explored quick and healthy breakfast hacks, because fueling your body right is just as important as a morning stretch. We delved into natural remedies that could be hidden in your kitchen, showing that health solutions are not always found in a pharmacy. Lastly, we emphasized the power of a positive mindset. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental wellness too. We encourage you to integrate these life hacks into your daily routine. You may be surprised at the difference they make.